Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the entire taskbar color in Windows 11. This is a great tip to personalize your computer's interface and make it truly yours. Currently, Windows 11 doesn't allow you to change the full taskbar color through system settings. But don't worry, I'll show you two ways to do it, using the Registry editor and the TranslucentTB app. First, open the Registry editor by pressing Win-R, typing regedit, and pressing Enter. If a confirmation prompt appears, click Yes. Once you're in the Registry editor, navigate to the following path. You can copy this path from the video description and paste it into the address bar at the top, then press Enter. Next, find the Color Prevalence key, right-click it, and select Modify. Change the value data to 1, then click OK. Now, open Settings, go to Personalization, and then to Colors. Under the Accent Color section, switch the option to Manual. Choose your desired accent color, and your taskbar will change to match it. This method is quick and works well if you want the taskbar color to align with your Windows theme. If you want more detailed customization or to make your taskbar transparent, use the TranslucentTB app. I've already made a video on how to install and use this app. Be sure to check the link in the video description. After installing TranslucentTB, launch the app. You'll see its icon appear on the taskbar. Right-click the icon to access customization options, such as changing the taskbar color or making it fully transparent. This method is simple, flexible, and gives you more control over your Windows taskbar appearance. And that's it. With just a few easy steps, you can change the taskbar color on Windows 11 or even make it transparent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.